Hi everyone, welcome to Rain Francis Art for Kids. My name is Rain. In this series, Nature and the Universe, we draw everything that's in nature and everything that's up in the skies. So let's begin. Today I'm going to show you how to draw this beautiful rainbow in the clouds with a little sunshine peeking through. So let's begin. This is what you'll need for today's drawing. You're going to need a piece of paper. I have a dollar store drawing pad here. It's 8.5 by 11 inches wide. I have my fine tip black marker. Fine tip just means it's a thin tip. We're also going to use markers today, and I have so many colors here. I have a nice light green, I have purple, I have red, yellow, orange, dark blue, and light blue. So why don't I clear all this up? And let's start with the light blue. What we're going to do first is we're going to draw our clouds, and we're starting with marker. We're not using pencil at all today. Now I want you to draw sort of on the bottom of your page here and the bottom of your page here. We're going to draw clouds. Just one there. Let me lift that up so you can see it. And then one over here on this side. Okay, that's just our reference point, and we're going to color all of that in later. But first we're going to do the rainbow. The first color that we're going to use is purple, and the rainbow is going to go from one cloud to the other. Okay, so let's start at the bottom and we'll do an arc in purple. And let's try not to get that marker on the inside of these clouds, okay? We're going to do another band here. And it doesn't matter if they're thick or thin. What matters is the color. Okay? The bottom of the rainbow is purple. There we go. Now the next color is dark blue. If you only have one blue, you can just use one blue, okay? But I'm using dark blue and then light blue. But like I said, if you only have one blue, that will work. All right. Now we'll fill in that dark blue. There we go. Do you see rainbows a lot? I do. I see a lot of rainbows. I can show you a picture of one that I saw recently. Isn't that pretty? I love seeing rainbows. Because I live in the Maritimes of Canada, I live near the Atlantic Ocean. There's a lot of weather that can create rainbows here. It's really, really nice. All right, the next color will be light blue, and we're just doing the same thing with all of the colors. We're just drawing some arches and filling them in with color. This light blue I'm going to color in my clouds with later. Now you can use coloring pencils or crayons for this. You don't have to use markers. Sometimes I like using markers because I think that they give a nice vibrant color. And anything in the sky for me is very vibrant. So I like to use markers for when I'm doing sky drawings. right. Now let's see, the next color is going to be green. Same thing. A nice arc. Ooh, that's a thick one. Like I said, it doesn't matter. The thickness doesn't matter. What matters is the color. How are you guys doing? How's your rainbow looking? It's going to look a lot better once we get the bright colors in there. Because it doesn't really look like a rainbow yet. But you'll see when it's finished, it's going to look really cool. All right. The next color is yellow. Now we're starting with the nice bright colors. Another arc. And let's fill that in with yellow. Just want to make sure I get all the spots. I left white here from the page. There we go. Now the next color is orange. We're getting there, my friends. Beautiful orange. And we'll fill that in with orange. Now it's really starting to look like a rainbow, isn't it? There we go. I had a little dust on my page. Now the last color of the rainbow is red. And now always make sure it's coming from the cloud, okay? All right, this is so much fun. I love drawing rainbows. I'll show you another picture of a rainbow that I took a picture of. I think they are so gorgeous. So I'm just going to fill in this arc or arch with red. Then we'll add a sun. Oops, did I move this? I'm sorry about that. Then we'll add the sun and we'll color in the clouds. And then we will admire our beautiful rainbow. I see rainbows the most in the summer. But they can happen in the winter too. I've seen them in the winter. It just depends on how humid it is out, and I guess the conditions of the weather and all sorts of stuff that I don't really understand. When I was a kid, there was an ice cream called Rainbow Ice Cream, and it had all these fun colors in it. It was so delicious. All right, so the rainbow is done. Doesn't that look great? I think that looks really, really pretty. So now we're going to work on coloring in the clouds, and I'm coloring in mine with light blue marker. You can color it in with coloring pencil or crayon, whatever you like. I just love the way the marker looks. We're going to give these clouds some faces too to make them look really happy, but we'll do that at the end. And this is just for fun, you guys. You know, you can make your clouds any size you want. They can be longer, they can be shorter, they can be dark blue. You could leave them white if you want. Oh, you know, there's something neat that I saw last year or the year before. I can't remember exactly when it was. I took a picture of it. I was walking my dogs, and it had just stopped raining, and it was a really, really hot summer morning. And where I live, there's a lot of fog in the morning in the summers, and in the fall too. Lots of fog. And I actually saw a rainbow that was made of fog. I'm going to show you the picture of that. If you look at this picture, there's no color. It's just white, and you can see it clearly. It's a rainbow. I called it a fog bow. I don't know if that's the official name of it, but isn't that neat? A colorless rainbow made of fog. Nature is so interesting. See all sorts of things that you never see before. Okay, so now I'm going to take my yellow and I'm going to draw a little sun here. Just a little bitty sun popping out of the rainbow. You can make your sun as big or as small as you want. I just want to make sure my sun fits on the page. Okay, and I'm just going to give the sun some rays. Short, long, short, long, short, long, short, long. Now let's take our black fine tip marker and put a few happy faces on this drawing. So on the sun, I'm just going to do 2 little dots and a little smiley face. And on our clouds, I'm going to do circles or ovals and little oval eyes, little pupils like this. I always do these oval eyes. I love them. I think they look really cute. And then a happy face here. And how about some cheeks? And we'll do the same with this little cloud here. Some oval eyes. And a big happy face with some cheeks. So what do you think, guys? Did you enjoy this today? Now don't forget to sign your work. I want you to take ownership of the beautiful work of art that you just created, and I'm really hoping that you're proud of yourself because I'm sure you did a beautiful drawing. I hope you enjoyed this lesson, my friends, and remember, Mom and Dad, if you post your kids' art on Instagram, please don't forget to tag me. The link is in the description below or in the About section of my channel. So we'll see you next time on Nature in the Universe. Thanks for watching. Bye.